Hello YouTube, I'm Dylan, and in this drawing tutorial, we are going to be doing the character of Timmy Turner from the Fairly Odd Parents series. So grab a chair, get a pencil, get a piece of paper, like this video, hit that subscribe button, and let's begin. Timmy's head is basically a half circle that's slanted this way a bit. Then we got to put a center line so that we know where his eyes will fall, and a line for the middle of his face. And we got to put like a bit of a square, tall rectangle for his body, and draw very loose and light at first, because we're not going to use all these lines later on. We're going to cover some of them up. Then put a circle in the middle and the back for an ear. Give him some hair. Okay, so we got our basic shapes planned out. Now we're going to draw her eyes, or his eyes. And her eyes are these big, simple circles. Keep this one, don't close up this eye yet because we got to put his nose there soon. So I'm gonna darken the left eye first. And for his nose, you draw just a simple angled upside down U shape. Continue darkening in this eye. And then draw a big circle in the middle of both eyes. Those will be the pupils. And then right here, you're going to draw kind of a wedge shape, like a potato wedge or some kind of food wedge. That's going to be her upper lip, his upper lip. Then you're going to curve it all the way up here to give him a nice big smile. And then right in the middle, you're going to draw a big upside down U shape. That's his tooth. Then draw a middle line down the middle of it. And now we have to draw his ear, which is near between the mouth and tooth on the left. Just putting a hairline back there. Just beef up these lines around her head. And then right here, we'll draw an angled rectangle line for her eyebrow. There's an angled line right there. This line is perfectly straight. Or rectangle is perfectly straight. Okay, then we're gonna connect this back line up into a bit of a straight line in the back. That's gonna be where we start the hair. And his hair, we draw a straight line taller than this one. And now we need to draw her hair, which is basically a big zigzag line that, with a back point right here, stops at the eyebrow. I'm gonna get... Okay, so we got her hair, or his hair, sorry. I could kind of mix them up sometimes. Then you're gonna draw a half oval right at the top, and then put a curve near it. That's going to be the one part of her hat. Then you draw a half, or a C shape. Just kind of like she's got a ball cap on. And then right at the back of it, there's a little circle. Doesn't have to connect all the way to the top of that C. Okay, so we got his... Actually, one more thing. We need to draw the inside of her ear. Just like that. Okay, now let's get her body. So you're going to draw almost like a letter A, except with a straight line at the bottom, straight line going up. That's the sleeve. Bring this line down. That's his shirt. And here's the other sleeve. Okay, now we are going to draw his hand and arm. So we're going to start with a skinny arm. And then here's, put a bit of a C right here for the curve of his hand. And then we're going to draw 2 fingers, just like that. The other arm, you don't see her hand because it's hidden behind her back, so you're just going to draw a backwards L right there. Okay, so we got that. Now we need to close off her shirt. And then we need to draw her legs and feet, and they're short. So you're just going to draw 2 different lines that follow the shape of her body, of his body, I'm sorry. And then right up here, you're going to draw kind of a upside down U, and then 1 foot, which will go like this, like a half oval. And a similar thing with this side. Okay, so we got that. Now, what we can do now is we can get our erasers and remove areas, things like our construction lines. We got a bunch of those. Just get rid of all the loose and light lines that we put to construct him in the beginning. It's very simple. And sweep away any eraser residue. There's one there. And there you have it. That is Timmy Turner. Hope you all had fun. We'll see you next time.